Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in a very small seaside town called Chapel St Leonards. We're going to check out the Sound Tower, the North Sea Observatory, have a look around the town centre and also check out Admiral Benbow. So without hesitation, let's go.
Yo, it's a Jack's life, pack your bags, let's roll. From first class flights to that budget hotel. Planes, trains, tourist games, we're on the move. Dropping reviews, making travel smooth. Sky high vibes, tracks down low. Jet set, living everywhere we go. Hit subscribe, take the journey, don't wait. It's a Jack's life, adventure's great.
Welcome to Chapel St Leonards, just north of Skegness. Just moseying up this sand dune. It's absolutely beautiful when you have the golden sand with the green of the dunes and then the blue of the sky. It is quite windy, so I'm hoping my wind protector on my microphone is doing a good job. This is the North Sea Observatory here. We'll come back to that in a little bit, but we're just going to have a mosey on up here. It's the middle of March at the moment, so on the camera it must look absolutely beautiful. We have gorgeous sunshine this morning, or midday rather, and it looks very inviting on the screen. I assure you there is quite a strong wind, and although I've got quite a thick jumper on, I am regretting not wearing a coat. That man down there is braving it in shorts. Then he has got a hat on too, so maybe he just doesn't feel it down below. As you can see, absolutely beautiful day, and the beach is nearly empty. Nearly got it to ourselves. It's a bit more of a coarse sand beach here. I don't know if you can see when you're in my shadow, but it is sandy enough to lie on. I'm sure it's comfy. There are quite a few pebbles and rocks, some shells, so if you've got kids that might keep them entertained for at least a few seconds. You can see actually here where on the ridge, I don't know if it picks it up on the camera, but the tide comes all the way into just about here. But as you can see, there is quite a steep drop down, so when the tide's in, it will get deep pretty quickly. So something to bear in mind if you do go for a swim when the tide's in. So if you look up there into the distance, you'll see the Sound Tower. A device that focuses and concentrates people's senses and amplifies the windy nature of the site. The tower-like structure is a clear point of reference, identifiable land, sea and beach. So that's fun if you want to go check that out. But we're going to go this way and go to the North Sea Observatory. So the North Sea Observatory here in Chapel St Leonards was opened in 2018. It's open all year round and a purpose-built and accessible marine observatory. It includes exhibits on the local area, an art space, cafe, public toilets and a car park. So there you go. So if you want to get out of the wind and have a look over the North Sea, here's an ideal location to do it in. Now we're going to head down the promenade and into the town, check out the rest of Chapel St Leonards. If you are looking to stay in Chapel St Leonards, the Vine Hotel might be worth checking out. 16 luxury ensuite rooms, literally right in the town centre here. It's got the Spice restaurant underneath it as well. Right, now I think if we go this way, we'll head to the seafront, see what amenities we've got around there, and then we'll head down to Admiral Benbow. Beside the sea, get yourself some souvenirs, some rock and some gifts. Again, apologies if the wind is ruining the sound quality. So if we have a walk across along this promenade, you can see more beautiful sand dunes. I don't know what it is about them. I really like sand dunes. Grass growing out of sand for some reason is really interesting. And then here is their little famous Admiral Benbow of Chapel St Leonards. So you got a real ale pub in the outdoor seating area. Here's a little boat, the Hispaniola. And then if you carry on down this promenade, you'll get to Ingoldmells, and then after you'll hit Skegness. So that completes our little tour of Chapel St Leonards. Do give it a visit. If you've enjoyed this video and you want to see more of the Lincolnshire coast, then do click a little playlist here which goes through all of the local towns. And if you want something a little bit different, right here is where I stayed in a mad pie factory for a night. And right in the middle is the subscribe button. Please do subscribe. I'll see you next time.
It's a Jack's life adventure's great.